Hello, Modias here. This is a public service announcement. I am reading the copyright infringement notification from www.youtube.com/t/DMCA_policy. Copyright infringement notification. To file a copyright infringement notification with us, you will need to send a written communication that includes substantially the following. Please consult your legal counsel or see Section 512C3 of the Digital Millennium Copyright Act to confirm these requirements. 1. A physical or electronic signature of a person authorized to act on behalf of the owner of an exclusive right that is allegedly infringed. 2. Identification of the copyrighted work claimed to have been infringed, or if multiple copyrighted works at a single online site are covered by a single notification, a representative list of such works at this site. 3. Identification of the material that is claimed to be infringed or to be the subject of infringing activity and that is to be removed or access to which is to be disabled, and information reasonably sufficient to permit the service provider to locate the material. Providing URLs in the body of an email is the best way to help us locate content quickly. 4. Information reasonably sufficient to permit the service provider to contact the complaining party, such as an address, telephone number, and, if available, an electronic mail address at which the complaining party may be contacted. 5. A statement that the complaining party has a good faith belief that the use of the material in the manner complained of is not authorized by the copyright owner, its agent, or the law. 6. A statement that the information in the notification is accurate and under penalty of perjury, that the complaining party is authorized to act on behalf of the owner of an exclusive right that is allegedly infringed. To expedite our ability to process your request, such written notice should be sent to our designated agent via our online copyright complaint form below. You'll need a YouTube account in order to utilize this tool. If there are many videos to be removed, or you expect to have an ongoing need to remove potentially infringing content from YouTube, we suggest that you sign up for our content verification program, which electronically notifies us, removing any room for error, and significantly increases the speed at which we are able to remove any infringing content. YouTube also offers industry-leading content identification and management tools. If you prefer to contact us via postal, mail, email, or fax, you may do so here. Please note that under Section 512F, any person who knowingly Please note that under Section 512F, any person who knowingly, materially misrepresents that material or activity is infringing may be subject to liability for damages. Don't make false claims. Please also note that the information provided in this legal notice may be forwarded to the person who provided the allegedly infringing content. Claimant information will be published on the YouTube site in place of disabled content. Next, I'm reading from U.S. Code, Title 18, Section 1621, Perjury, General. Whoever, 1. Having taken an oath before a competent tribunal, officer, or person in any case in which a law of the United States authorizes an oath to be administered, that he will testify, declare, depose, or certify truly, or that any written testimony, declaration, deposition, or certificate by him subscribed is true, willfully and contrary to such oath, states or subscribes any material matter which he does not believe to be true, or 2. In any declaration, certificate, verification, or statement under penalty of perjury, as permitted under Section 1764 of Title 28 U.S. Code, willfully subscribes as any material matter which he does not believe to be true, is guilty of perjury, and shall, except as otherwise expressly provided by law, be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 5 years, or both. This section is applicable whether the statement or subscription is made within or without the United States. And finally, Perjury Act, 1911, from This is the UK version. False unsworn statement under evidence, Proceedings in Other Jurisdictions, Act 1975. If any person, in giving any testimony, either orally or in writing, otherwise than an oath, where required to do so by an order under Section 2 of the Evidence Proceedings in Other Jurisdiction Act of 1975, makes a statement, A, which he knows to be false in material particularly, or B, which is false in a material particular, and which he does not believe to be true, he shall be guilty of an offense, and shall be liable on conviction, on indictment to imprisonment for a term not exceeding 2 years, or a fine, or both. This is not directed to anyone in particular, but if you break a sweat, or if the hairs on the back of your neck stand up when I talk about prison terms and fines and so on and so forth, you probably want to think about what you've been doing recently. The least of certain people's worries should be losing their YouTube account. Thanks for watching.